Hi, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Marissa, and I'm so happy to be talking to you in this platform. You know what? For the past years that I've been in this platform, I actually started here around 2011. It was mostly me sharing my passion about fitness and lately about brands who would want to collaborate with me to share what they have to the viewers. But lately, I've been thinking that I want to refocus my channel not only to share my fitness journey, but also to build a supportive community. I would want to have a stronger connection with you guys. I'm open to questions. Actually, if you can write it in the comment below, and I'd be willing to answer it regarding fitness, life as a Gen X, or maybe as life as an immigrant here in the US. I'll be posting new contents regularly. I'm also open to collaborating with other fitness creators to cross promote our channels. One of the goals that I'm trying to set right now is to have 1,000 subscribers. Currently, I'm at 167, and reaching 1,000 subscribers would open up more opportunities for engagement and growth. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, then I would love to have that 4,000 watch hours. This is a requirement of YouTube's partner program, which allows creators to monetize their content. I'm so inspired with the videos that I've been watching and seeing that us Gen Xers really having a space in this platform is so inspirational for me. I'd love to hear your feedback on these things, and I'm open to suggestions on how to improve on my content. And of course, I would like to express my gratitude for your continued support. I'm so excited about this journey, and I hope you can join me. Let's build a strong and supportive fitness community together. So I have to sign off. We'll be going out for our walk. So follow for more and see you in my next video.